Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn programs using write method of file handling. Programs using write method. Now first we will revise writing onto files. Okay. Python provides two methods, or you can say two functions. So which type of writing we can do? Okay, writing functions work on open files. You all know very well that before starting the writing work on the file, you have to first open the file. So writing functions work on open files. Python provides two types of writing functions on data files. There are only two types of data functions, that is write and write lines, that we seen in the previous video in detail. Okay, so today we will see some programs by using the write method. So write function writes string str1 to file references by file handle. You know very well that if you want to use any file methods, you can use that file methods by using file handle or file object. You can access the number of functions which are related with the files by using the file handle or file object. You all know very well that how can you create the file object or file handle. File object is having a link with the file which is stored on the disk. So what write function will do? Write function will write the strings. Whatever string you will pass by using the write method, that will be write onto the file by using the write method. Okay, so this is the syntax of the write. File handle dot write str1. File handle dot write str1. Whenever you will provide any string or any statement by using the write function, it is treated as a single line or a single string. Now we will see the program. Create a file to hold some data. So now I am creating one new file. By using the open method. As you all know that when you open the file in the write mode, means what you are doing? You are creating the file. If the file is exist, it will open that file, and if the file name is not exist, then it will create the file. Understand? अगर आप राइट मोड में फाइल को ओपन कर रहे हो, तो अगर फाइल पहले से ही आपके ड्राइव में पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्टरी में अगर एग्जिस्ट है, तो वो उस फाइल को ओपन करेगा. ओके, अगर एग्जिस्ट नहीं है तो क्या करेगा? उस पर्टिकुलर नाम से वो फाइल को क्रिएट करेगा. क्लियर? सो फाइल आउट इक्वल्स टू ओपन इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट student.dat, w. What it will do? Now imagine student.dat means student.data. This file is not exist in your computer. So what it will do? It will create the student file. Okay. So file out is the object. To which open will give reference of the student file. Okay, and that file will use in which mode? In the write mode. For I in range of 5. Means how many times I will execute? I will execute 5 times from 0 to 4. As you all know that the index of any counter variable will start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is having 5 from 0 to 4. So I will execute for how many times? It will execute for 5 times. That means from 0 to 4. This will execute for how many times? 0 to 4. Okay. So then name equals to input, enter name of student. Name equals to input, enter name of student. So input method is used to print the data, or input method is used to enter data by using the keyboard. Input method is used to enter data by using the keyboard. So name is the variable which will hold the name of the student. Name is the variable of the type string. Name is the variable of the type string which will hold the name of the student. How many times this statement will execute? This statement will execute 5 times. This statement will execute 5 times. Okay. So now next, file out dot write inside the bracket name. Now you all know that name is the variable which will hold the name of the student by name of the student which you will enter by using the input method. Input method से हम name enter करने वाले हैं, and whatever name we entered using the input method will be assigned, will be stored into the variable name. Into the variable name. Name is the variable. Okay. So now I want to write this name into the file. I want to write this name into the file. Okay, so how can I write? Write is the method for writing the single string or single line. Okay, so by using the write method we will write the name of the student which is stored inside the name variable. Okay, that's why file out dot write inside the bracket name. So file out is having the reference of the file student. File out is having the reference of the file student. So by using the write method it will write name one by one. Write name one by one. एक एक करके वो क्या करेगा? Name write करेगा in the file student. Okay. So this also will repeat how many times? 5 times. It will type how many times? 5 times. Okay. So after this, file out dot close. File out dot close. So now if I want to see the output of this, I have to open that particular file. ठीक है, अगर मुझे इसका आउटपुट देखना है तो मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर ड्राइव के अंदर जाके उस फाइल को ओपन करके उसमें डेटा टाइप हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है वो देखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो फाइल आउट इक्वल्स टू ओपन student dot dat W for I in range means I will execute, for loop will execute for 5 times from 0 to 4 as I told you. It will enter the name of the student by using the input method and the name is stored inside the name variable. Then we will use the write method for inserting the name into the file. Insert in the file student by using the file object, that is a file out. Okay, as I told you that it's a very good practice to close the file after opening, after performing particular task. ठीक है, पर्टिकुलर टास्क ओपन होने के बाद आपको फाइल को क्लोज करना ही है. Why you have to close? Because it may happen that sometimes content remains in memory buffer, sometimes contents remain in memory buffer. अगर मैंने file out dot close यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा, okay, if I not write this file out dot close, okay, then what happen? हो सकता है 3 नाम तो मेरे स्टूडेंट फाइल में चले गए, ओके, राइट हो गए, बट जो लास्ट 2 नेम्स है दैट विल बी रिमेन्स इन द मेमोरी बफर एंड बिफोर विदाउट क्लोजिंग द फाइल आई exit from the program. Then what happened? It will type only 3 names. Okay, it will type only 3 names because the content remains in a memory buffer. Okay, तो अगर आप फोर्सफुली फाइल डॉट क्लोज मेथड का यूज करते हो, मीन्स फाइल को क्लोज करते हो बाय यूजिंग द क्लोज मेथड, इट विल फोर्स टू राइट द कंटेंट ऑन द फाइल. क्लोज मेथड विल फोर्स to write the content on the file, so means it will write all the 5 names. Okay, so now we will jump on to the next slide. So how can we enter? So sample run of code is when you execute this program, when you run this program, it will ask 5 times. It will ask 5 times to enter the name of the student. ये आपको 5 times student का name enter करने के लिए बोलेगा. Okay. So I entered here first Riya, second Rehan, third Ronak, fourth Robert, and fifth is Ravneet. Okay. So I entered these 5 names. Okay, now I want to see the output of this. So how can I see the output? Okay, ये इससे क्या होगा, सैम्पल रन ऑफ कोड से ये आप नेम एंटर करने के बाद, अगर आप इसके बाद फाइव नेम्स एंटर करने के बाद अगर आप एंटर करते हो तो इट विल गो ऑन टू द पाइथन प्रॉम्प्ट. क्या हो जाएगा, पाइथन प्रॉम्प्ट पे चला जाएगा, आपका प्रोग्राम एग्जिट हो जाएगा. क्लियर? इट विल नॉट शो द आउटपुट. बट हाउ कैन वी सी द आउटपुट? सो for checking the output of the program, you have to open the student file. So now we will see the output. This is the output of the program. This is the student file. It is a notepad file. Okay, see now all the names are written in a single line. The data you entered is part of the file, but notice that write does not add a new line character on its own. Okay, again I am repeating. The data you entered is part of the file, but notice that write does not add a new character on its own. हमने डेटा तो एंटर कर दिया. ओके, डेटा इज एंटर्ड इनटू द फाइल बट इट इज़ नॉट हैविंग अ न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर. मतलब रिया के बाद सेकंड लाइन में जाके रेहान प्रिंट होना चाहिए, रेहान के बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाके रौनक राइट होना चाहिए था, बट इट नॉट हैपन विथ द राइट मेथड. वाई? बिकॉज राइट मेथड डज नॉट ऐड न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर. ओके, and now we will see where this file will be located. See, in the program we not given any path to the file. We will go back to the in this program we not mentioned any file name. We mentioned the file name but we not provided any path. हमने कोई path दिया हुआ नहीं है और हमने student नाम की फाइल न्यू क्रिएट की है. ओके, सो where it will be saved now? Okay, now I am going to take this. So file created in the same folder where Python program is saved. जहाँ पे आपका Python program सेव हुआ है उसी पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर में, उसी सेम फोल्डर में जो आपने फाइल क्रिएट की है स्टूडेंट नाम की, वो वहाँ पे सेव हो जाएंगी. Why it was saved into the same folder where Python program is saved? Because you not given their particular path. Okay. So if you want to create the particular file in a specific folder, then you must specify the file path. अगर आपको पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक फोल्डर में अगर फाइल को सेव करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको स्पेसिफिकली फाइल पाथ को डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो वेयर इट विल बी सेव्ड? सी हियर number of Python programs. Okay, and in that it is a text file student. This is a text file. So it will create in the same folder where Python program is saved. So if you want to save your program in the specific folder, then you must specify the file path. Okay, as I told you earlier. Now we will see how can we give the new line character. So before that we will see the one note. It is clear from the file contains that write does not add any extra character like new line character after every write operation. ठीक है, अब जो हमने प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम देखा वहाँ पे 5 टाइम्स हमने राइट ऑपरेशन को कॉल किया. तो राइट ऑपरेशन क्या कर रहा है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर वहाँ पे ऐड नहीं कर रहा है, ना ही वो ब्लैंक स्पेस ऐड कर रहा है, ना ही वो न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर ऐड कर रहा है. ओके, इट इज़ writing only the contents, those are passing by the प्रोग्रामर, जो भी आप उसे कंटेंट्स पास कर रहे हो वही कंटेंट वो क्या कर रहा है, राइट कर रहा है. इट इज़ नॉट राइटिंग एनी एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर. ओके, सो हाउ कैन यू ऐड नाउ? Thus, to group the content you are writing in file line wise, make sure to write new line character on your own. ठीक है, so whenever you are doing the writing in the file, you have to write new line character. Okay, you have to write new line character by your own. That we will see in the next program. Creating a file to hold some data separated as lines. Okay, create a file to hold some data separated as lines. मतलब एक एक लाइन में एक एक नाम आना चाहिए. Okay, so same program I am taking here, but I am changing the name of the file, student1.txt, because previously we made it student. Now it's a student1.txt. Okay, both file will open in the notepad, whether you are writing there .dat or you are writing there .txt. Okay, both will open in the notepad. So for I in range of 5, name equals to input, enter name of the student, file out dot write inside the bracket name, file out dot write inside the bracket /n. See what is the difference here in this program. I just added here this line. Which line? This line. I added here this line only. Okay, file out dot write inside the bracket /n. /n is used to represent new line character. मतलब अब यहाँ पे जैसे ही write फंक्शन एक नाम राइट करेंगे उसके बाद फाइल आउट डॉट राइट /n मीन्स इट विल गो ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. ओके, वो न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर वहाँ पे प्रिंट करेंगे, मतलब नेक्स्ट लाइन में आपका कर्सर मूव हो जाएगा एंड नेक्स्ट नेम विल बी राइट ऑन टू द सेकेंड लाइन. देन अगेन इट विल एग्जीक्यूट फॉर द फॉर आई equals to 3. So then again it will write the third name onto the new line character. Okay, so now we will see the sample run of code. Is again I entered here 5 names: Jaya, Jivin, Jonathan, Jagjit, Javed. Okay, now we will see the output. Now this is the output. Okay, now look at this file. What happened? In the previous output, all the names are in the single line. All the names are in the single line. All the names are in the single line. But in this program, we write all the names one by one. We write all the names one by one. Okay? Jaya, then Jivin, then Jonathan, then Jagjit, then Javed. So this time, the file has new line character because we entered there file out dot write. Okay, so it is having the new line character at the end of every name. At the end of every name, जैसे जया के बाद जैसे हमने फर्स्ट लाइन राइट किया फाइल आउट डॉट राइट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट नेम, फर्स्ट नेम राइट कर दिया फाइल में. देन आफ्टर दैट वी रिटर्न देयर फाइल आउट डॉट राइट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट /n in the single quotation mark. So each name is ended with the new line character. Each name is ended with the new line character. So at the end of every name, as you added new line, added a new line after every name. Okay, so now it is clear that if you are using the right method for entering data into the file and you want to enter the string into the separate lines, if you want to enter the string into the separate lines, then you have to add by your own new line character by using the right method. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. अगर आपको आपके जो आउटपुट फाइल आ रही है उसमें अगर जो भी डेटा आप एंटर कर रहे हो अगर आपको उसे सिंगल लाइन में लिखना है, ओके, तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको मैन्युअली मीन्स बाय योर ओन, आपको खुद से न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर राइट मेथड में ऐड करना है. ओके, बिकॉज राइट मेथड विल नॉट ऐड न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर. अगर आप न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर यूज़ नहीं करते हो तो क्या होगा, इट विल राइट ऑल द स्ट्रिंग्स इन द सेम लाइन. इट विल राइट ऑल द स्ट्रिंग्स इन द सेम लाइन बिकॉज राइट मेथड विल नॉट ऐड एनी एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर. ओके, it will not add any space, it will not add new line character, nothing. So if you want to add new line, then you have to specify it. Specify it means you have to use this new line character by your own in the right method. Okay, so here today's session over. In the next session, we will see some programs by using the write lines method. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.